Pagkakaisa na nagreresulta sa pag-angat sa pamamagitan ng iba't ibang platform gaya ng CSR, maaaring makamit ang inklusibo at paglagong ito. Nag-aambag sa pangmatagalang pag-unlad ng lipunan. Likas sa puso nating mga Pilipino ang diwa ng bayanihan. Kapwa nagtutulungan sa paggawa ng mga positibong aksyon para mapaunlad ang buhay ng bawat miyembro ng ating lipunan. At para sa social development arm ng isa sa pinakamalaking pangalan sa sektor ng banking and finance, kanilang isinasabuhay ang diwa ng bayanihan gamit ang mga programang nagsusulong ng pagkakaisa at malasakit sa kapwa.
BPI Foundation is the social development arm of Bank of the Philippine Islands. Our mission is to create a culture of financial wellness and access agents for sustainable positive change, particularly for underserved Filipino communities. We focus on programs that drive financial education and enterprise development and livelihood, all towards financial inclusion. BPI Bayan was created to give employees an opportunity to contribute to society through volunteerism. It encourages them to take hands-on approach to community service while building essential skills like leadership, communication, and project management.
Nagkakaisa ang mga miyembro ng kanilang organisasyon sa pagbuo ng mga makabuluhang proyekto na layong maghatid ng positibo at pangmatagalang pagbabago sa buhay ng mga naisasantabing sektor. Isang halimbawa ay ang Project Light.
The rationale of our project is we want to provide a low-cost livelihood program for our partner community that basically would entail a big profit margin. We started with tumbler sleeve because there's an influx of Aqua Flask user tumblers, so we sell the tumbler sleeves at 350. We're able to sell around 150 tumbler sleeve last year. They could be their own entrepreneur, and on the side we'll do the marketing, and hopefully in the future, magkaroon sila ng sarili nilang brand.
Mula sa paggawa ng crochet, lumawak na ang programa na siyang tumutugon na rin sa problema ng gutom at malnutrisyon.
It's urban farming or integrated farming through hydroponic scheme. So all you have to do, tatanim mo na lang ilalagay mo na lang yung seeds, didiligan mo araw-araw, and probably in 30 to 60 days, you'll probably have 80 lettuce. They could also use this as a source of livelihood. Pwede nilang ibenta on the side.
Sektor ng agrikultura naman ang nais maiangat ng susunod na proyektong ito.
BPI Bayan Project is the tulong-dunong sa magsasaka tungo sa makabagong pagsanhan. Yung project focuses on helping the farmer member. The Dala Cooperative is engaged in more of sa agriculture sector ng pagsanhan. The direct beneficiary are the 121 active farmer member ng cooperative. Yung indirect beneficiaries naman natin are those indigents, stay-at-home mothers, and also mga senior citizens ng barangay.
Sa ilalim ng proyekto, binibigyan ng kaalaman at bagong kakayahan ang mga magsasaka na kanilang magagamit para magkaroon ng alternatibong paraan ng pamumuhay.
We aim to address the market reach of the cooperative since buko pie making is not known in Pagsanghan. Buko pie is known only in Los Baños, Calamba, San Pablo. The group aims to assist or help the members gain a wider market share in the local delicacy industry through extensive marketing using different platforms, especially the social media platform.
Binibigyang kapasidad din ng programa ang mga magsasaka sa financial literacy.
Aside from the alternative livelihood, they will be given financial wellness. Through this, they will know or they will learn how to handle their finances para alam nila kung paano i-budget yung kanilang minimal income and also kung paano nila papalaguin yung kapital na hawak nila and how they can use it na mapaikot nila yung kapital nila.
Walang problemang hindi masosolusyonan kapag lahat ay nagtutulungan.
Volunteerism is really important for everyone because doon na-immerse a lot of people, a lot of members of our group. If they are being immersed to our various activities, nakikita nila yung reality of life.
In line with the vision of BPI, we aim to build a better Philippines, one family, one community at a time. So when we focus sa mga nasa marginal sector of our society, we uplift their lives, thus uplifting the nation.
At sa mga proyektong nagbibigay ng pangmatagalang solusyon at hindi panandaliang tulong. Naiaangat ng mga programa ng Foundation, hindi lamang ang kalidad ng buhay, pati na rin ang dignidad ng mga katuwang na komunidad.
The collaborative nature of the initiatives also strengthens community ties, fostering a sense of collective responsibility and resilience. Through these efforts, the program not only solves immediate challenges, but also empowers communities to thrive in the long term.